Chairman is for the council.
I am telling you, my lord, the council, my lord, has not yet been formed. It is under the chairmanship. That is why I am submitting, my lord, let the chairman be. I am appearing.
Then the very submission that the order of transfer is required to be passed by the council. Chairman.
Yes, yes, yes.
The chairman is holding the field. How can you do so?
Kindly, I have take instruction from when the council is not in function and from when the chairman took charge of that. Kindly.
So what
Has
will
it
be
been
the result
constituted?
if it is found?
Otherwise,
Has it been constituted
Yes.
at all?
Yes,
It has
my
not been constituted.
then my lord, statutory provision
Yes, yes.
goes.
I do not have an issue in taking up the matter. What is it?
Although this matter is urgent, my lord, because of the
Yes.
transfer order, my lord.
Where is
It granted, my lord.
where is the order of transfer?
My lord, page number 38.
DPSC Budwan.
Yes,
Who appears?
I served a copy upon the
The
DPSC.
district primary council without presence of district council lordship.
May-
Purbo Bardhaman.
Purva
I am for
Bardhaman.
the state lordship.
Yes,
State
I
lordship-
understand. Purva Bardhaman, Mr.
I-
Somiran Giri.
Ansar Mandal son lordship. I don't know naam.
Somiran Giri was appearing?
No.
No, Shomiranda.
Mirangiri.
হ্যাঁ
পূর্ব বর্ধমান
No, Mednipur.
পশ্চিম মেদিনীপুর কি ডিস্ট্রিক্টটা কোনটা
পূর্ব বর্ধমান পূর্ব বর্ধমান
বর্ধমান লর্ডশিপ পূর্ব বর্ধমান সমীরন গিরি নট অ্যাপিয়ার
All right. Answer Mandal.
আনসার মন্ডল লর্ডশিপ অ্যাপিয়ার
Achha.
generally লর্ডশিপ আনসার মন্ডল son is appear in the পূর্ব বর্ধমান
All right.
I know lord.
Where is he?
Inform me room number 10 or any sitting there.
Go, call him. Call him.
But here lordship when the lordship bar took a resolution here and lordship I
No, these are urgent matters, not regular matters.
Then not
He
say,
has
That's a gift
urgency.
is granted.
Leave has been granted. What? You are being transferred?
Yes.
When?
And
Where is the order of transfer?
page number 38, my lord.
38.
এই ভैया কর না ডাক না আমাদের ছেলেকে dated 15 July
Yes.
2024, my lord. Within 3 working
What
days,
is your name? You are
Asma. Item number 6.
Asma. 6.
Yes, my lord.
Serial number 6. You are in Budwan Banipit.
Yes, my lord.
And you have been transferred to Shodor. Same, within the same circle.
But my lord, for the transfer, my lord, 3 legal point is involved in this matter. Why I say so? In the transfer rule, there is a specific mention. The own motion transfer only, it's a council power, not the chairman power. First. And in this regard, already, this High Court settled this principle in Deepika Bala matter, my lord, 2022 SCC online
Yes.
KL 232. I will put it later on.
Hmm.
And factually, my lord, I made a representation. Kindly turn page number 40. The representation first.
Yes.
May I read, my lord?
Yes.
আমি আসমা আলম বর্তমানে সহশিক্ষিকা পদে কর্মরত পূর্ব বর্ধমান জেলার সদর শহর 1 নম্বর চক্রের অন্তর্গত বর্ধমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ে আমি এই বিদ্যালয়ে যোগদান করি পূর্ব বর্ধমান জেলার প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয় সংসদের সাচের পত্রাঙ্ক বলেন আমি যখন বর্ধমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ে যোগদান করি তখন আমার বিদ্যালয় পিটিআর ছিল 56:3 বর্তমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয় পিটিআর 372:8 সদর শহর 1 নম্বর চক্রের মেমো নম্বর অনুযায়ী আমি এই বিদ্যালয়ে যোগদান করি 24/6/2021 তারিখে আমি বর্ধমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ে যোগদান করার পর আমার IOS-MS টিচার প্রোফাইল ইন্দ্রপ্রস্থ GSFP থেকে ট্রান্সফার করে বর্ধমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ে করা হয় এবং আমার কর্মজীবন রোপা 2009 এর অপশন ফিক্সেশন ও বর্ধমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ের অধীনে হয় সঙ্গে বাংলার শিক্ষা পোর্টালেও চেঞ্জ করে বর্ধমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ের অধীনে হয় আমি ওই বিদ্যালয়ে যোগদান করার পর আরো একজন শিক্ষক এই বিদ্যালয়ে যোগদান করে এবং কোনোভাবে আমি বিদ্যালয়ের সারপ্লাস টিচার নয় বর্তমানে আমাকে বর্ধমান জেলার প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয় সংসদ থেকে মেমো নাম্বার সাচ দ্যাট মিনস হুইচ ইজ আন্ডার চ্যালেঞ্জ পত্রাঙ্ক মারফত আমাকে পুরানো বিদ্যালয় ইন্দ্রপ্রস্থ GSFP এ পাঠানো হচ্ছে বর্তমানে বর্ধমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ের পিটিআর 255:10 এই অনুযায়ী ইন্দ্রপ্রস্থ GSFP এর পিটিআর 74:3 27 অনুযায়ী যোগদান করিলে সারপ্লাস হয়ে যাবে অর্থাৎ দ্যাট মিনস if I transferred and that school I become a surplus teacher where in the present school there is a deficiency of the teacher.
Hmm.
অনুযায়ী আর একজন শিক্ষক যোগদান করলে পিটিআর হবে 74:5। মহাশয়, যেহেতু আমার IOSMS রোপা 2009 বাংলা শিক্ষা পোর্টাল সবেতেই আমি বর্ধমান মানিপীঠ প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ের শিক্ষিকা, তাই ওই বিদ্যালয়ে আমি স্থায়ীভাবে থাকতে চাই এবং আমার ট্রান্সফার অর্ডার স্থগিত রাখার অনুরোধ জানাই। নাও my lord, kindly see the order passed by the Bardhaman DPSC, my lord. And also, my lord, I want to refer the earlier transfer order, which is annexed with my writ petition, page number 35. In the year 2021, on the basis of what I transfer in the present school. Kindly see, my lord. Subject, got it, my lord? Page number 35. Subject, regarding proposal of placement of teacher under Sodor and Urban 1 circle. With reference to the above noted subject, the undersigned would like to inform him is that your adjustment arrangement of 2 teachers, namely such and such, is accepted by the council. It is done by the council, not by the chairman. Considering the urgency and interest of primary education, the aforesaid teacher under Sodor 1 circle is hereby deputed exclusively on temporary basis, subject to the approval of school education department. So earlier decision of transfer was by the council, not by the chairman. Now kindly turn my page number 38. The present transfer order. Where is the council decision? Under the Primary Education Act, council is a statutory body.
Yes, I've followed it.
But Lordship, I am here, Lordship, I am not Lordship, but here my learned friend, a council. Here the division bench, special bench judgment is there. If the council is not in the form, chairman has the power.
No, but then you have to see whether the council is there or not.
Yes, I am sitting, Lordship. But
There is no council.
Give
The council is functioning.
Nadia District Primary Council.
No.
No, this is not Nodia. Here, whether the council is functioning or not, that is to be seen first.
Lordship, Lordship, I am not appearing on behalf
I understand.
of DPSC, but Lordship, as per Lordship, here Lordship, teacher ratio, Lordship. Teacher ratio, say the Lord District Primary Council. If the Lordship District Primary Council, they pick the 2 PM or any day, come the
And thing is,
PTR ratio.
PTR ratio is the Lordship, I think Lordship, 40 is equal to 1, 50 is
40
the
is
head
to
teacher.
1.
But here Lordship, I think so Lordship, let the District Primary Council say, here Lordship, transport order is 15. Only 3 days. That Lordship
is over.
Lordship, give me the tomorrow Lordship.
No,
Let the fix
not
for
yet.
tomorrow.
Yes,
What is the urgency? The 15 is the issue. Thereafter,
no, I got it within.
If the Lordship, tomorrow Lordship, if the Lordship quash the transport order, there is no necessary tomorrow or today Lordship. Let the matter fix up tomorrow.
Please come. None represents the Purva Bardhaman District Primary School Council. Stop. The petitioner is aggrieved by the order of transfer. Signed by the chairman of the council on 15th of July 2024, transferring the petitioner from Bardhaman Banipit Primary School, Sodor Urban 1 to Indraprastho GSFP School, Sodor Urban 1. Stop. Paragraph. It has been submitted that the chairman is not the competent authority to issue the order of transfer. Second, the student-teacher ratio in the transferee school is such that if the petitioner joins the said school, then she will be a surplus teacher over there. Stop. The present school where the petitioner is teaching is absolutely in the proper ratio. Stop. Next paragraph. The matter is adjourned till tomorrow. Date ta diye deben 24 tarikh. Stop. Learned advocate for the council shall take specific instruction with regard to the student-teacher ratio of both the schools, the present school where the petitioner is teaching and the transferee school where the petitioner has been transferred. Specific instruction shall also be taken as to whether the district primary school council is functional in the district of Purba Bardhaman. Anything else?
And my lord, junior teacher than me is also present in the present school. That's my.
Yes.
Yeah, obviously,
And,
council will take
further instruction shall be taken as to whether
junior.
there is any junior teacher than the petitioner who is still teaching in the Bardhaman Banipit Primary School.
This order is
Service.
communicated by the DPSC, Lordship. My learned friend.
DPSC
advocate
will take.
Immediate communicate, Lordship. Otherwise,
He will communicate.
Yes.
Learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to communicate this order to the learned advocate representing DPSC
Lords, I am great.
Purba Bardhaman.
Oh, answer that. But
Yes.
same, similar order.
School. School is the same.
Yes, school is not the same, but order is the same.
And which district?
Purba Bardhaman, my lord,
Lordship, in
same
this
order.
matter, I am not appeal, Lordship, on
Very
behalf of
well.
the state, Lord.
Very well, very
My
well.
lord, in the both the matter, my lord, affidavit of service
Service is there.
kept in the
Show me the order of transfer, please.
page number 31, my lord. Same order. Serial number
Oh, it's the same order.
and serial number 5. Atin.
Atin Kumar Mondal. And here also the,
From Bardhaman Horisabha Hindu Girls High School Primary
yes.
Section.
And here also the
No,
teacher-student ratio will be
Yes,
the same.
yes. And representation is also there, and he is also not the junior.
Please come.
Representation page number 33. And mentioning the teacher.
একটা জায়গাতে না দুটো জায়গাতে বর্ধমান বাণীপীঠ প্রাইমারি স্কুল
Same.
বলা হয়েছিল, সেটা চেঞ্জ হবে। সেটা হবে বর্ধমান হরিসভা হিন্দু গার্লস হাই স্কুল প্রাইমারি সেকশন। ঠিক আছে, আদারওয়াইজ এভরিথিং ইজ দ্য সেম।
Kindly see.
আগেরটা সি ছিল, আমি মনে পড়ছে না, এটা হি হবে। ইয়েস,
Lordship,
My lord, in both the cases, my lord, both the petitioner transferred to the same school.
Yes, I have
74
seen that.
student is there.
Lordship, I am only Lordship with the bar association took a resolution, Lordship. If the Lordship not appear on behalf of the state or Lordship otherwise, kindly give me this.
Then tomorrow, my lord.
yes, tomorrow.
Item number 6. My lord, item number 6. My lord,
Yes.
I am appearing on behalf of the respondent number 5. That is my lord, DPSC Purba Bardhaman. Now, my lord, yesterday this matter was subject to correction. It was taken up by your lordship. Now, my lord, I have gone through, my lord, not ready to argue this day. My lord, let it be taken up, my lord, day after tomorrow. My lord, I shall come back.
3 days time has already
No.
expired.
They, where they are servicing, they are
Still
that's-
continuing.
Yes. They,
And you
I
won't
am-
take any penal action against
no.
them.
I am giving my word of honor, my lord, that there is no problem at all. No problem will be created.
Please
Kindly
come
take it up day after tomorrow.
on the prayer of the learned advocate representing District Primary School Council, Purba Bardhaman, for taking necessary instruction in the matter. List on 26th.
My lord, Purba Bardhaman chairman, my lord, on behalf of the chairman. I am
But the
here-
council, the
Yes,
chairman is for the council.
I am telling you, my lord, the council, my lord, has not yet been formed. It is under the chairmanship. That is why I am submitting, my lord, let the chairman be. I am
Then
appearing.
the very submission that the order of transfer is required to be passed by the council,
I-
not by the chairman.
Yes.
Then
Yes.
automatically it will
My
go.
lord, we shall come back, my lord, on Friday.
Tell not on behalf of the council, but the chairman of the council. Acha, it has been submitted. Please record. It has been submitted that the council is yet to be constituted, and the
That is my instruction. On
And-
instruction, my lord, kindly.
yes,
record.
yes, it
On
has been
instruction.
submitted on instructions. On
My lord,
instructions.
May
Constituted, and the chairman is holding the field. How can you do so? I am
my
really
lord, kindly, I have one
My
submission.
lord, I am the last person, my lord, to support any illegal.
I know.
My lord,
That is why,
kindly,
my lord, I, my lord, candidly submit. There is no
yes.
my
council.
lord, kindly take instruction from when the council is not in function and from when the chairman took charge of that. My lord, kindly.
So what
Has
will
it
be
been
the result?
constituted?
If it is
My
found,
lord,
my lord,
otherwise, my
Has
lord,
it been constituted
Yes.
at all?
yes,
It has
my lord.
not been constituted.
Then my lord, statutory provision
yes.
goes.
Yes.
His grievance, my lord, I know, my lord, what is his
All right,
matter.
all right.
Grateful.
Come
You
here.
know the fate of the
Yes,
litigation also.
there is I also, my lord, I am the last person to support any illegalities. If
Next one is also same.
Same, my lord.
Very
Grateful.
well.
If you have like.